design, you've gone for a very, and I know that people think, what the hell is it? Because it's not a known kind of thing. But from my point of view, that's a very clever design, especially when you talk about jump and go and you have the ability to go really fast. So how did that idea came about and evolved? Very interesting design, honestly.
Yeah, so I have to give a lot of credit to my team and to our customers. So we had, in 2019, when we started looking at this business case, one of our company's advisors connected me to Jacob Reese, who's the CEO of Falck. Falck is a global ambulance and emergency response company. They do 9.4 million EMS operations every year. They work in 24 different countries. They're huge, right? And they know what they're doing when it comes to emergency response. So getting connected at the earliest stages with that level of expertise was really key in helping us refine the design requirements for the aircraft, right? So doing the back and forth and refining the requirements so that we know that we're targeting the right thing, that's going to have the right payload capability, that that we're optimizing for the right metrics that will drive the business economics. Those were all really key. So we had a lot of really good back and forth with their team in the early years, where we brought kind of the tech expertise on eVTOL development, and they brought, well, here's what we would like to have. Here's the equipment that we would like to be able to carry. And here's what's really important. Hey, we've got a lot of contracts where we need to be on scene in 8 minutes or less, right? That sort of thing. So that was an extensive process that and we're fairly far along in that now, that we're building our first full-scale prototype. But we've flown 4 generations of subscale aircraft, and we have 19 major design iterations. So it's a process, as you know, to mature a concept. But the most important thing is that you get the requirements right early on, and that they don't change, because every time those requirements change, you incur huge costs.